Welcome to Crafty Little Beach. This is Julie. Today I have a Dollar Tree DIY for you. I wanted to do a spring candle. I picked up a light blue candlestick from the Dollar Tree and one of these battery operated spring candles. It's so pretty. Look at that. It's got ferns and flowers all over. Originally, I was going to add some small pink flowers, but there is no pink at all on that candle. So I switched it up with white and I want to decorate the candlestick. Now, those little tiny white flowers from the Dollar Tree don't have a center when you take them off. And so, what I wanted to do was to make some blue centers for the flowers using some of the little beaded stickers from the Dollar Tree. They are very shiny though. So, I tried to tone mine down with a little bit of matte Mod Podge first before I started attaching them to my white flowers. I do go back and distress them later because they were still just a little too bright and shiny for me, but I love the soft blue color. I thought I could decorate the front and the sides of this. I want to do flowers and greenery on this, very similar to the candle itself. And since it's a battery operated candle, I can really kind of add as much stuff to this as I want. You don't have to worry about anything being flammable. I just take the little white flower and attach it and then glue on my little beaded sticker right in the center, just using hot glue here for everything. I want to stagger the flowers a little bit. I end up using like an odd number on the left side to make it a little bit less symmetrical. But to start with, I did two towards the bottom, two kind of up towards the top a little bit, and scattering these around. I thought this would be a fun way to bring a little spring decor to the candlestick itself. Since the candle is really beautiful, but it is a battery operated candle, so besides the print on there, I wanted a little bit more fun for this one. So two more of these. You could also use the little paper flowers that are real tiny like this. That could work as well to decorate your candlestick. And a couple more here of the blue centers to our additional flowers. Now, I think that's really pretty. I love the soft blue and white together. I think it looks really pretty with that candle holder. I thought, though, that it needed a little greenery, too. There's a lot of greenery on that candle. So I'm going to use one of these little fern-like plants from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to use one. And I want it to go around the candlestick like this, having the flowers peek out from beneath. So I just attach it with a little hot glue to my candlestick, and making sure the flowers are more on top, I'm going to wrap this around here to the back, cutting off the stem and gluing it down. I'm really glad I did that. Just the flowers themselves looked a little bit cheap, and I didn't want that. I wanted it to look more beautiful. I did remove the one flower there on the left to make it a little bit less symmetrical, and I think that's going to work. I did try to tone down the shininess of those little stickers again. I used a paint pen and a coordinating color, thinking that might tone it down a little bit. I did have to go in and distress them a little bit too with a little bit of white paint. I would put some on there, wipe off the excess with a baby wipe, just giving it like almost a whitewashing to tone down that shininess, because these things were so shiny and I didn't want that to take away from the flowers. I think this looks really soft and really cute. So then you just have to pop your candle on there. Isn't that candle so pretty? I love it. This is the beautiful design that's on there. So I'm glad that I was able to incorporate the greenery and the flowers to the candlestick as well. I think this will be a fun candle, maybe for my kitchen. And the battery operated light would work really well there on my kitchen counter. Isn't that so sweet? I love it, but let me first show you how it looks lit up as well. I love it when Dollar Tree includes the battery in these things. You know, sometimes the Dollar Tree Plus has the electronics now, and they don't even include the batteries after they're charging more. So that's no good. But I think it's really sweet. I love the soft colors. I love the little touch of blue for spring as well. And I think this is really pretty.